Hi everyone. In today's class, I will explain about arrays concept in Java programming. In today's agenda is then what is an array? Then how you declare array and initialization. Then how do you access the elements of an array? Then what is an array? Array is a collection of values of the same data type stored in a contiguous memory location by referred by same name, which means that all elements must share by the common name. It holds the fixed number of values decided at the time of array declaration. Then if you ask you what is the difference between variable and array, the variable can hold a single value which does not hold a multiple values, but the array can store the multiple values of the same data type under the single name. Okay, that is the difference between variable and array. Then see here, there are three variables have been declared: the restaurant contact 1, the restaurant contact 2, the restaurant contact 3. Then I would like to store three customer details. I need three variables over there. But if you are using the array, then under the single name, the name is called as restaurant contacts. Then I stored three contact information. The index 0, the first contact information has been stored. The index 1, the second contact information has been stored. The index 2, the third contact information has been stored. Then how you declare an array in Java? Okay, this is the syntax is been used to declare an array. Then data type followed by the square bracket, array name, the new data type, the size of an array. The square bracket has to be used before the array name or after the array name, there is no problem. Once you done the declaration, how do you assign the values to the array? The syntax has been used. The array name, then with help of the index value, then equaled element. Then whichever element has been placed over here, which will be stored at a particular index in the array. The example is also be given over here. Then here the data type is long. The array name will be restaurant contacts. Then data type. Then what is the size of the array? The creating of array size of 3 of long data type. I want to store the similar data types in the array. Then index of 0, restaurant contact index of 0, the first contact information has to be stored. The second contact information has been stored. The third contact information has been stored. This is the way we declared array, then we assign the values to the array. Then array initialization. What is mean array initialization? We need to initialize an array at the time of declaring an array. Then what is the syntax for it? Then data type, then square bracket. Here we don't provide any size over here. Then name of an array. Then elements to be declared. Each and every elements to be declared by comma. Each and every element is been separated by comma. Then example is also be given over here. The long data type, restaurant is the name of the array. Then three values, three contact information has been initialized: index 0, index 1, index 2. Clear? The next slide is how to access an array elements. Because each value stored in array is called an element. Each element in array is accessed, stored, and retrieved it is using its position in the array. That position is called indexes. In Java, the array index will be start from 0. The end index is size of an array minus 1. The example is also be given. Okay, how do you access all the elements from an array? This is the way we can access. If you want to access the individual elements, there is no need of the loops. Then see here the long array name is the restaurant contacts. Then size of an array would be 3. Then I assign the values. Already you knows index 0 value has been assigned, index 1, index 2. Then how do you access? This is the way we can store the elements has to be stored in the array. These are the elements. These are called as the indexes. Then how do you access the particular element? You should able to access particular element by using the index. Here I written the statement, the system.out.println, the restaurant contact, the name of the array of 1. Here, what is mean of the statement? Accessing and displaying the element at the first index. First in what element has to be there, this is the output of this application. But I want to access the all the elements, not only particular individual element. If you want to access the all the elements, we need any one of the loop concept. Then I move on to the next slide. Then access of an array using the for loop. Okay, we can access all the elements from an array using the for loop concept. You see here the array has been initialized. I want to access all the elements from the array. Then see here index 0. The array index will be start from 0. Index less than array name dot length. The length attribute which returns the number of elements in the given array, the size of the array, simply the size of the array which returns, then index plus plus. Here each and every element to be accessed by using the index. The restaurant context of index, which means that all elements has to be displayed. This is the way we can access all the elements from the array using the for loop. Then another way is that to access an array elements by using the for each statement. Then Java also another loop known as for each loop to iterate over the collections. The elements, the use of the indexes to display the array elements one by one, we go for the for each statement. See here, what is the syntax for it? Then for data type, the space variable name colon array name or object, then body of the loop. Then example is also be given. I had done the declaration of the array. The array name was restaurant contacts. There's here I did not use any index over here. The data type, the variable name is contact number. The colon, the array name was restaurant contacts. Here system.out.println, the contact number is the variable name. Then each and every value has to be stored in the contact number. That information has to be displayed in the output console. Okay, this is the way we can access all the elements by using the for each statement. Then you should remember some of the points when you're working with the arrays. The arrays, you know that this is a definition. Array can be used to store the data of primitive as well as reference types, non-primitive data types. The wholly a fixed number of values which will be determined at the time of array declaration. The array index always starts from 0. Length attribute of an array can be used to get its size. Once array initialized, the size of an array can't be changed. So these are the points very important when you're working with the arrays. If you have any doubt regarding this array concept, please contact me through the comment box. Thank you all for watching my videos.